wig I'm going to be using today is from WowAfrican. Now, WowAfrican also has a cashback reward program. They also have a pamphlet in here on hair care instructions, as well as how to earn money from them and also how to be featured on their channel. So this package also comes with an elastic band and a stocking cap. So the wig comes in this pretty satin bag. You guys know I like to use this satin bag to store my wigs. And then it also comes in the standard plastic bag for wigs. So as you can see, this wig is a Yaki texture. The density on this beautiful wig is 180%. Now this is a 360 lace front wig. The type of hair on this wig is a Brazilian virgin hair. And of course the color is natural black and the length is 20 inches. Now, let's get into talking about this wig because I need to give you guys the tea for real. So, this wig came pre-plucked with baby hairs, but let me tell you how nice this wig is. So, I have not done any bleaching or any plucking or any foundation added to this wig whatsoever. Let me tell you, can you hear it in my voice how excited I am about this wig? This Yaki wig is perfect in so many ways. First off, let's just talk about the texture of this wig. This wig mimics natural hair to the T. Well, let me say this. Pressed out or blow dried natural hair. The hair is coarse feeling, but it looks so freaking good and it feels really good. I also like that with this wig I can either go for a blowout natural look or I can go for a pressed natural look. So what I'm basically saying is this is a very full wig. This is pretty much fuller than your normal standard silky straight wig. So this wig is perfect for my natural girls because my natural girls will often straighten their hair using some sort of heat, maybe a blow dryer or a flat iron, instead of using a relaxer to get a straight look. So with this Yaki wig, you can either go for a pressed out look or you can go for like a blowout look that has a little bit more thickness and a little bit more texture to it. So as you can see, the hair straightens really well, and right here is the side that haven't been straightened yet. So both sides of the wig, in my opinion, I really do like. Really is like either or, but I'm starting to prefer this Yaki texture hair way more than the silky straight wigs, just because the Yaki texture wigs, they look more fuller, they look more like natural, they look more like African American hair blowed out, and in my opinion they just look more fuller. The only thing I kind of don't care about is like the little small, and I mean very small crinkles that is in the hair. You can't see it from a distance, but when you are looking at the hair in a mirror or on you, you can definitely see the little small crinkles, but it's not a bad thing. The fullness and the thickness of this wig is just literally everything. Like, I honestly have to say this is one of my favorite, probably the only favorite straight wig that I have, just because of the texture. Wait, my elbows are super ashy. Excuse my elbow, guys. This Yaki texture is really nice. It's 180% density, so it's a really full, nice wig. If you don't like the whole silky straight hair look, then this will be perfect for you. It's so many different ways that you can wear this hair, and in my opinion, when I put this hair in a ponytail that I did not show on camera, to me the ponytail looks better because it looks more fuller. It looks like it has more body. It mimics African American hair. So this is definitely a must-have wig in my opinion. It's a beautiful wig. I think anybody that gets it will love it. If you decide to pick up this wig, definitely come back on here and let me know if you love it, if you hate it. Thanks for watching.